Welcome to another episode of Cook Like a Champion. I'm Chef Champion here with my good friend Pat. I've been hearing that food trucks has been sweeping the nation, so I decided to have him come down and show it what it's all about.
Hello, we are Taste of Ethiopia. We call ourselves an Ethiopian-American fusion truck. It's food like nobody's ever tasted in this area before, and we're a truck with a mission, so we're looking forward to doing this today.
Awesome. Well, I don't know about you guys, but I can't wait to get some of this good food. So why don't you say we get in the kitchen and cook some food up?
Let's do it.
Awesome. I'm Chef Champion. Let's bring cooking back the way it used to be. Welcome to the new age of culinary learning. All right, what's going on, man? Hey, thanks for having me. So this is the food truck, huh? Oh, here's the man of the hour right here. How's it going, brother?
Fantastic.
Ready to eat some food?
Thanks for coming.
Oh, my pleasure, my pleasure. What do we got going on today?
What we do, because we live in Green Bay, and Green Bay is basically as conservative with their palate as they are with their politics, we're kind of hiding our Ethiopian flavors in real familiar presentation.
Awesome.
So we have real authentic Ethiopian flavor on a real familiar American presentation. So he's going to make a grilled cheese with our amazing spices. It's going to be a steak grilled cheese, and we'll let you guys give that a try, see what you think.
So what makes your steak so different than your traditional steak?
Well, basically we cook it, we slow cook it. We start with Angus beef, all different cuts of beef. We cube it very small, and we cook it very slow. One of our signature ingredients in Ethiopian cooking,
I have seen that before,
is the berbere. Every family in Ethiopia has their own blend of berbere, so they're all just a little bit different. But this is basically a pepper blend, several different kinds of peppers.
Oh, it smells
yeah,
good.
ginger,
Good.
garlic.
I just gotta try just a little bit of it.
And there's another version of this called mitbita. And I was cautioned by the restaurant owners in Milwaukee that white people are not allowed to use it.
You hear that, huh?
That'll fire you right.
So I'm fair game, baby.
Yeah, that's super hot.
Honey white on me is these that way. Awesome.
So that's one of the main ingredients. The other is this, our niter kibe.
And this is the clarified butter?
Basically, it's clarified butter. I'll cook down 10 pounds of unsalted butter and methodically take off all the fats and throw that away. And then I'll put in way more garlic and ginger than you think is possible, powder, and cook that down. And then we add this. This is the kosarat. This is another thing that has to be imported. Hard to say what it smells like. It's a little similarity to basil, maybe.
Yeah, I can see that a little bit.
But it's amazing when you put this in, and then the basil bela. It infuses so much flavor into this stuff. And we'll cook this for probably an hour or two, and then I strain all that through a cheesecloth. And basically what comes out is this nice clear butter.
I just gotta get in there. Because we're in Wisconsin, you guys, it's okay to just eat butter straight.
Absolutely.
That's how they roll out.
Well, and Ethiopians, they eat with their hands, so we can do that
butter.
here.
They would be proud in Wisconsin to have some of that butter.
They would. And and then I use the leavings from that for our pulled pork.
Awesome.
We cook that slow in there.
So my man right here looks like he's ready to get his grilling on. So it's your world, man. Show us what you got. So what you got? What you season that with right there? That's the berbere, almost like it's Spanish.
You gotta roll both of the R's.
Roll both the R's. So he's got the clarified butter on the bread. He's getting ready to grill it. He added that berbere. But for those of you guys at home that don't have this particular spice, remember, we're cooking like a champion, so you can use whatever you want.
We have cheese.
All right, just a little American cheese, but you can use whatever cheese you want. So if I don't like cheddar, or if I don't like provolone, what kind of cheese do they use in Ethiopia?
It's like close to feta.
Okay.
So you can use any kind of feta.
Okay. Even like a herb feta or something like that? Awesome. This must be the little Wisconsin tribute to the Ethiopians.
We gotta stay true to our roots.
Gotta stay true to your roots. Now, if you guys have never seen a grilled cheese like that, man, you gotta check this out. I've always used to just eating grilled cheese with just cheese and the bread, but to have that nice, authentic Ethiopian spices mixed in with the two different kind of cheese. Well, three cheeses now because you have your provolone, your American, and your feta cheese. OMG, that looks so good. And then back in the restaurants, what we used to do, instead of getting a knife, we cut it right there on the grill.
Oh, look at that.
Just like that.
Dang.
Scoop that up. And then we'll take our little tray. Awesome. So as you guys can see, it's got all the nice cheesiness in there. Oh my God. So if they didn't have this, they can pretty much use any kind of pulled pork or pulled beef or anything like that. Any kind of stew. It's basically a stew, you guys. So if you guys have any leftover stew, especially coming up all the holidays, this would be perfect.
Throw them in your Sammys. This is our very, very secret sauce. And what we do is we're generous with that. We'll generally put a little cup on the side because people cannot get enough of this.
Okay.
And basically, we'll tell you some of what's in there. That is a berbere awaze sauce, we call it. But we start with French vanilla yogurt.
Okay.
You got to keep it sweet. We're in Wisconsin.
Nice.
And I'll even put a little vanilla extract in there, and a little sugar, and ample amount of our berbere awaze pepper paste.
Okay.
As well as 2 to 3 avocados. Blend that all up in there.
Awesome.
And that's what comes out in our sauce, and
Awesome.
people are just...
It is delicious, you guys. You guys
grooving
gotta have
on
that.
this sauce,
So basically, it's a yogurt-based sauce. If you don't have a lot of these exotic ingredients, you can definitely add whatever you want to put it. I'm from Louisiana. I might want to throw a little slap your mama Cajun in there. I don't know.
Absolutely.
I think it might be okay.
Absolutely.